Do you know math can work like magic, except better? We have some simple math tricks that can be used every day. It will seem as if you are reading minds of your friends and leave them surprised. Besides this, it will help you to simplify complicated math calculation and put on end to your math related fear with these magical mathematics tricks and make living maths fun. During this lockdown period, in free time to keep your mind refreshed and agile, you can do these math tricks with your family and friends. Ask a volunteer to write down her age. Give her a piece of paper and instruct her not to show you what she is writing. This trick won't work on someone 100 years old or above, but that's almost never a problem. Second step, have her multiply it by 5. Ask her to follow your instructions as you tell her what calculations to solve. Start by asking her to multiply her age by 5. For example, if someone is 42 years old, she would write down 42 into 5, which gives 210. Write a 0 at the end of the answer. This is the same as multiplying by 10. But phrasing it this way makes it more difficult for the volunteer to follow the trick. In our example, adding a 0 to 210 makes 2100. Fourth step, add today's date. It does not actually matter what she adds here. We will undo it later, but today's date is an easy small number to add. Mention the date aloud to make sure she knows it. For example, if today is March 15th, the volunteer in our example would sum 2100 plus 15 is equal to 2115. Tell her to ignore the month and year. Fifth step, double the answer. The volunteer should multiply her answer by 2. That is 2115 into 2 is equal to 4230. Sixth step, add the volunteer's shoe size. Ask the volunteer to write down her shoe size and to round up if it is not a whole number. She should add this to her last answer. If her shoe size is 7, she will add 4230 plus 7, which gives 4237. Seventh step, subtract twice today's date. It is best to calculate this in your head. Then tell her to subtract the number you come up with. For example, it's March 15th in our example, so multiply 15 into 2 is equal to 30. In your head, say subtract 30 from your answer, and the volunteer will calculate 4237 minus 30 gives 4207. Yes, 4207. Reveal the magic. Tell her to read her answer out loud. Students, reveal the magic. Tell her to read her answer out loud. The first part of the number is her age, and the last 2 digits are her shoe size. Now, let us see the other trick, the 1089 trick. Don't use calculator, do it by yourself. Pick a friend with decent math skills. This trick only involves addition and subtraction, but some people get confused by the instructions. It works best on a friend who will pay close attention and who is unlikely to make a math mistake. Write down 1089 on a hidden piece of paper. Announce that you will write down a magic number on a piece of paper. Write down 1089 without showing anyone. Then fold the paper in half. Ask your friend to write down a number with 3 different digits. Tell him not to show you the number or tell you what it is. Make sure he understands that none of the 3 digits can be the same. For example, he could pick 481. He might need a simple calculator as well. Instruct him to write down the number in reverse. On the next line, underneath the number, he should write down the same digits in reverse order. For example, 481 backwards is 184. Make it into a subtraction problem. Now that your volunteer has 2 numbers, isn't it? Have him subtract the smaller one from the larger one. 481 minus 184, the reverse number of 481, which gives 297. Now, if the number is only 2 digits, add a 0 at the beginning. Now, ask him if his number is 2 or 3 digits long. Without telling you the actual number, if it is only 2 digits long, have him place a 0 at the beginning. In our example, 297 has 3 digits, so you can skip this step. Sometimes your friend will end up at 99 and this step will turn that into 099. That is adding 0 in front of 99. Add the last number and its reverse together. As the final calculation, your friend adds the last 2 numbers he wrote down. In our example, 792 plus 297 gives 1089. Yes, we get the magic number 1089. Show everyone your prediction. Announce that you know the last number he wrote down. Unfold the piece of paper and reveal the 1089 you wrote down earlier. The answer is always 1089. If your friend has a different answer, he did not follow instructions or he made a mistake. The answer for anything would be 37. Step 1. Choose a 3-digit number with the same digits. Let's go with 333. Step 2. Add the digits together. So, 3 plus 3 plus 3 gives 9. Step 3. Divide the original number with the sum. So, 333 by 9, which gives 37. This works every single time. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 math trick. Step 1. Choose a number between 1 and 6. Multiply the number by 9. Multiply the result by 111. Step 4. Multiply the answer by 1001. Step 5. Divide the number by 7. Step 6. The answer will contains all the numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. For example, the number 6 yields the answer 714285. Perform the trick. Think of a number, any positive integer. Keep it small so you can do computations in your head. Square it. Add the result to your original number. Divide by your original number. Add 17. Subtract your original number. Divide by 6. The number you are thinking of now is 3.